Hello dear boss, I'm Judy. This indoor LED screen is our company hot product model EA640F2 series. This EA640F2 series features 423 golden ration design with a cabinet size as of 640 by 480 millimeters. Okay. And this one designed for the building of wide ranges of 4:3 and 16:9 LED larger screens. And this LED equipped with a full front matrix design. Okay, and the users can easily maintain the front. So include LED module, switch power supply, and the receiving card and other components. Yes, and to ensure the convenience and efficiency of maintenance work. Behind me is EA640F2 series screen with its excellent picture quality performance. Yes, okay, and it brings users a movie-like visual experience. Okay, and suitable for hand-ending conferences room and exhibition halls and other places require high-definition display effect. Okay, the above is introduced EA640F2 series. If you have any questions, just tell me in the comments area down below. See you. Bye bye.